Welcome to this week's Peeves, Tips, and Tricks, a holistic lifestyle YouTube channel, part of the Holistic Collaboration series. And please hit the notification, subscribe, and thumbs up. This week I'd like to talk to you about something very interesting, as today I was standing getting a cup of coffee and this elderly lady came in and she was getting some soup and a sandwich for her and her disabled husband. She's halfway crippled over using her cane and lots of people around. Not one person offered to help, so I went over and asked her if I could, and I carried her trays over to her table. I love stuff like that. It's helping each other out, and this is my peeve. Why aren't other people doing this more? We're trying to increase the beautiful energy of love and compassion and kindness, and you cannot do that if you're not participating. So my tip this week is quite simple. Please look for opportunities to help other people. This doesn't mean that you put yourself in danger or you put yourself in a position of forcing your desire upon somebody. If they don't wish the help, that's perfectly fine. It also means that you don't brag about it. It's the most wonderful feeling. And anytime I get the opportunity to do this, I love to be able to, because we can't go through life without other people helping us along too. The chair you sit in, the bed you sleep in, the job that you might have. None of these things are possible without other people. And as we are trying to grow more like-mindedness, because our world needs this, the dark and the shadow are way too big right now. And it's obvious with some of the laws that have been changed, some of the things that are happening that are degrading our world in many ways. So please, as our trick, let's join together and help each other out just a little more. And that includes on the road. Please, people, use your blinkers. You tell people where you're going so they can prepare and be aware, right? Thank you for listening this week, and have a fabulous week. Namaste. Divine love to everyone.